Study Plan, a practical guide to building one that truly works. Shaping a strong study plan seems simple, yet many still cram before tests. A clear schedule does more than list dates, it turns practice into steady progress. Early on, some learners seek outside help, like an MBA essay writing service, when large tasks feel heavy, but even that support works best inside a sensible plan. This guide shows how to study step by step so that each chapter, video, or group session serves a larger purpose. It keeps the tone friendly because a calm mind retains more. Each section stays short, practical, and suited to a middle school reading level, yet the tips also fit college and adult courses. By the end, any reader understands what makes a plan stick, how to adjust it when life intrudes, and why strong study habits matter long after grades appear. Small daily choices build durable skills and steady confidence over time. Set a clear North Star. Every effective study plan begins with a target that can be measured. Before opening any book, the student writes exactly what must be mastered and by when. Passing geometry with an 85, finishing a history project 2 days early, or learning 20 new Spanish verbs each week are goals that can be tracked. Vague hopes like get better at math sound pleasant but offer no path. When names are sharp, the brain knows what to chase and stays alert during practice. Many teachers call this backward design because the end result is pictured first, and steps are built in reverse. Learners can tape the goal above the desk.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Or save it as a phone wallpaper. Seeing it often keeps driving high on dull days. The goal stays realistic. A learner holding AC in science can move to AB faster than a sudden leap to an A+. Ambition matters, and honesty prevents burnout. Map the journey into manageable pieces. With the destination set, the next job is to slice the work into smaller chunks. A thick biology unit may include cells, genes, and ecology. Listing each subtopic on separate sticky notes helps a learner see the mountain as a chain of hills. After the list is ready, the student estimates how many study sessions each part needs. Hard ideas get more slots, easy review gets fewer. This practice trains the mind to budget time like money. It also highlights parts that might need extra tools, such as flashcards or short videos. Some learners color-code the notes, red for tough, yellow for medium, green for quick refreshers. When placed on a wall calendar, the colors create an instant view of the weeks ahead. This map makes the learning path feel guided instead of random. Students can open any day's plan and know which slice to tackle, removing the guesswork that often feeds delay. Pick study methods that fit the task. Not every subject benefits from the same approach, so a smart study plan matches methods to material. New words grow faster with flashcards, while math improves through problem drills. Reading a chapter twice in silence may feel safe, yet research shows that recall grows when learners engage with self-tests or explain ideas to a friend. To choose a tool, look at how learning will be checked.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.